When you think of superfoods, what do you see? Green smoothies, salads, and fruits. Well, today we're going to burst that myth. Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing a glimpse into the magic of Ayurveda, an ancient Indian system of medicine that has stood the test of time. And let's talk about a special treasure from Ayurveda, a sprinkle made from a harmonious blend of 6 incredible ingredients. Imagine a vibrant rainbow of colors coming together in perfect harmony. That's exactly what you'll find in our diversity jar sprinkle. Each color tells the story of a unique ingredient, each with its own tale to share. Let's uncover the secrets within. First, we have the golden glow of turmeric. This ancient spice is not just a culinary delight, but also a powerful antioxidant. Its active compound, curcumin, has been celebrated for its potential anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. In Ayurveda, turmeric is considered a healer, helping to purify the blood and boost the immune system. Next, we have the earthy brown of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with fiber, healthy fats, and protein. Chia seeds are a great source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that supports heart health and reduces inflammation. Then comes the sleek black of sesame seeds. These little gems are rich in iron, calcium, and magnesium. Sesame seeds have a unique cooling effect on the body, according to Ayurveda, and they help balance out the heating effects of other spices in our sprinkle mix. Now let's talk about the bright blue of spirulina. This blue-green algae is a favorite among athletes because it's packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. Spirulina is a natural source of phycocyanin, a pigment that gives it its beautiful blue color, and has been linked to reducing oxidative stress. The red color comes from beetroot, a root vegetable that's not just visually appealing, but also rich in antioxidants. Beetroot is high in nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps in vasodilation, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. And finally, we have the vibrant green of pandan leaves. These fragrant leaves are known for their calming properties. Pandan leaves contain compounds like L-tryptophan and L-theanine, which promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. Now that we've decoded the colors, let's see how this magical sprinkle can add a dash of magic to your meals. The best part is its versatility. You can use it in so many different ways. It's like having a personal chef who's always ready to elevate your dishes with a sprinkle of flavor and nutrition. Yogurt, here's a simple way to start your day with a burst of sunshine. Just sprinkle some of our sprinkle over your morning yogurt and enjoy the explosion of flavors and nutrients. It's like having a personal chef who's always ready to elevate your dishes with a sprinkle of flavor and nutrition. Soups, whether it's a cold winter night or a cozy evening at home, our sprinkle adds a delightful touch to your soups. Just a sprinkle on top and you've got a meal that's as comforting as it is nutritious. Oatmeal. Looking for a fun way to make your oatmeal more exciting? Our sprinkle is here to save the day. Sprinkle it on top of your oatmeal and you've got a breakfast that's both delicious and packed with nutrients. Smoothies, sometimes blending vegetables and fruits isn't enough to make your smoothies more appealing. That's where our sprinkle comes to the rescue. Add a spoonful of our sprinkle to your smoothie, and you'll be amazed by the transformation in both taste and nutrition. Salads. Salads are great, but let's face it, they can get boring. Our sprinkle adds a burst of flavor and excitement to your salads. Sprinkle it on top and enjoy the symphony of tastes in every bite. Fruits. Why should desserts have all the fun? Our sprinkle can also be a delightful addition to your fruit platters. Sprinkle it over your favorite fruits and create a feast for the eyes and taste buds. But the magic doesn't end there. Our sprinkle is a true multitasker. It's like having a personal chef who's always ready to elevate your dishes with a sprinkle of flavor and nutrition. Let's talk about immunity. In today's world, staying healthy is a top priority. Our sprinkle is your secret weapon in boosting your immune system, with ingredients like turmeric and spirulina, known for their immune-supporting properties. Every sprinkle is a step towards a stronger, healthier you. Now, let's focus on mood. Feeling down or stressed, our sprinkle has you covered. The relaxing properties of pandan leaves and the mood-boosting potential of beetroot can help you find moments of calm amidst the chaos. And let's not forget about gut health. A healthy gut is the key to overall well-being. Ingredients like chia seeds and sesame, which support digestive health, ensure that your gut stays happy and nourished with every sprinkle. We've decoded the benefits, uncovered the colors, and explored the versatility of our sprinkle. Now it's time to sprinkle some magic into your kitchen. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a foodie, or simply someone looking to add a touch of Ayurveda to your life, our sprinkle is the perfect companion. Each ingredient has been carefully selected for its unique contribution to your well-being. We believe that nature's bounty holds the secrets to a healthier, happier you. That's why we've harnessed the power of 6 incredible ingredients to create something truly special. Turmeric, the golden healer. Chia seeds, the tiny nutritional powerhouse. Sesame seeds, the cool and grounding presence. Spirulina, the blue-green algae packed with protein. Beetroot, the antioxidant-rich root of energy. And pandan leaves, the serene green essence of calmness. These ingredients aren't just a random mix. They're a carefully crafted blend, based on the principles of Ayurveda. Each one plays a part in creating a sprinkle that not only looks beautiful, but also offers a host of health benefits. Here's to a healthier, happier you, starting with a sprinkle of magic. So go ahead, add a dash of color and a whole lot of health to your meals. Your body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the wonderful world of Ayurveda, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have a ton of videos that will guide you through this journey. Click the bell icon to stay notified about our latest videos. We've got a lot more health tips and tricks coming your way, and if you're feeling inspired, give this video a thumbs up. Your support means everything to us. So keep watching, keep exploring, and keep sprinkling some magic into your everyday life. Remember, small changes like a sprinkle of color can make a big difference in your health and well-being. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay colorful. Name